Our employees love Alexa.
Alexa, call the front desk.
Calling front desk's phone.
Carleton Senior Living is a home to many seniors and an extension of the life that they've lived for so many years. What makes Carleton unique, we are always trying to bring the most cutting-edge technology to our residents, to our team, and I love that Alexa has come to Carleton Senior Living. It's just become natural to have this technology assist us, assist our residents, really to make our lives easier, to make the residents' lives easier.
As technology is moving forward, our way of communicating is changing. We pilot a lot of different technologies at Carleton Senior Living, and the reason for that is to connect people, to connect staff to residents, to connect residents to their family members in a different way. All of these resident apartments have an Alexa device. They're asking their Alexas all the time, Alexa, what are the activities? Alexa, what's for lunch? And they're getting the answers, as opposed to having to read it in the hallway or even go down to the front desk. This is saving them time, but it's also saving our staff time.
Alexa, what are the activities today?
Okay, here's Speak To. Evening walk. Lobby scheduled at 3 p.m. Would you like to attend this activity?
Alexa for Senior Living is the Alexa that you know at home, except it really focuses on the needs of the senior living community. We learned that using Alexa could not only help engage residents with family and create social connectedness, but we also learned that it impacted the way that the staff interacted with their residents and teams.
We have had a lot of challenges with our visually impaired residents. A lot of technology can help, but ultimately it's too complicated, and it really does, in reality, lead to less and less communication. Now with Alexa, it's pretty amazing, not just the technology of how it's helping our residents, but that it's allowing them to continue relationships that maybe they couldn't have otherwise.
Speak To is one of our first solution providers that built upon Alexa APIs to create a unique service offering to older adults in senior care communities. They were the first to go portfolio-wide, particularly here at Carleton Senior Living, where residents had an Alexa in every single apartment, as well as inside of their front desk, as well as with their staff.
Speak To is a communication platform. Speak To and Amazon empower older adults to interact with technology, interact with people inside their community, to ask for help, to receive help, to connect, call family members, message people living outside. Amazon Alexa's platform provides an anonymous experience. It's really safe and secure for residents, and Speak To is a HIPAA-compliant platform. We take privacy, security very seriously.
You get a lot of pull cord calls a day, and those should be emergencies, and they're not always emergencies, and yet you have to treat them each one as an emergency. That creates kind of a care staff burnout. And so if there is any way, what we've always been looking for is a way to diminish that sort of burnout and make those emergencies actual emergencies.
Alexa, what is for dinner?
Okay, here's Speak To. The menu for dinner is...
Since Alexa allows residents to share exactly what they need, our care staff can prioritize and route those requests to the appropriate department. Regarding non-urgent requests alone, there was an 83% reduction in data entry, a 91% reduction in duplicate visits, and a 34% reduction in resident emergency pendant requests. When we look at the impact Alexa made, the time care staff attended to non-care needs was equivalent to an entire employee per shift. I don't even know what I see for the future with Amazon, because you asked me 4 years ago and I wouldn't have thought that we'd have Alexa devices in every apartment. We're really excited to continue our partnership with Amazon and Speak To. We're just really looking forward to everything that we can do in the future, and who even knows what that's going to be, but we're willing to push the boundaries. We're willing to try things out with Amazon and Speak To and really see where all of this technology can take us and really bring all of this tech to our staff and residents. Our employees love Alexa, and they're using it every day.